This is Colmi P8. It's a 2000 taka priced smartwatch, but to me, it's more likely a fitness tracker. Thanks to Gadget Zone Sylhet for providing me this watch for reviewing in this lockdown phase. I'll leave a link to their site in the description below. In the box, you will get the watch itself, the user manuals, and a magnetic charging cable. Like most of the smartwatches, Colmi doesn't provide any charging adapter, so you just have to charge it with your phone's adapter. Its body material is zinc alloy, which gives the watch a premium look, and the 1.4-inch IPS display panel is protected by tempered glass. The straps are made from flexible silicone material. The available colors for the straps are black, grey, blue, rose gold, rose pink. No matter what color strap you get, the dial color stays the same. It's also IPX7 certified water resistant, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. In this watch, there are heart rate sensor, proximity sensor, and accelerometer. There is also sleep tracking, step counter, heart rate monitor, which are fairly accurate. It can measure blood pressure and oxygen level using the heart sensor. The built-in vibrator is pretty decent, which provides almost a smartphone-like feeling when you get any notification from a smartphone or if you get any call. Only downside of the watch is you cannot receive, cancel or silent the call from the watch. If you swipe from down, you will get main settings. And if you swipe from up, you will get the quick setting. And if you swipe from left or right, you will get the quick setting like heart rate monitor, step counter, and many more. To change, see the list of built-in dial faces. By default, this has 5 touch faces installed in it, but you can get up to 64 watch faces from its dedicated app, which is available on Play Store, along with a customizable watch face. That means you can set your own picture in it. There is a camera shutter option, which can be used for taking pictures. You can also control music on your phone with this watch, but you have to dig into the setting every time, which is not very convenient. The Colmi P8 has a 174 mAh battery, which gives around 30 days of standby backup and 7 days of using time. The battery takes almost 2.5 hours to fully charge using the magnetic charger. This smartwatch has some unique features and also some room for improvements. Overall, it's a decent choice in this budget range. Anyways, if you have enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing, and that would be massive. With that being said, my name is Iman and I'll catch you guys in the next one.